Hi everyone, it's Alex from Wine Academy here, and today I thought I would take you through how to open a bottle of sparkling wine, or indeed in this case, champagne. The first and most important thing when opening a bottle of sparkling wine is ensuring that the wine is well chilled. The bubbles in the wine come about through the carbon dioxide which is trapped in the bottle, and the carbon dioxide creates a huge amount of pressure. What happens with gases is as they warm up, they expand. So the warmer a wine is, the more the gas expands, the more pressure it creates, whereas the cooler it is, the gas contracts and creates less pressure. So if we have our wine really well chilled, then we're less likely to have some kind of unwarranted explosion. Now, the first thing that we do is we remove the capsule or the foil. There's usually some kind of little tag to help you in this task. And there we have the cage. The French for this is muselet, but in English we just refer to this as the cage. And basically what we want to think about from here on in is as soon as that we loosen the cage, we need to keep pressure on the cork at all times, because that's when the cork can fly out of the bottle. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put my left hand on top of the cork and I'm going to move the glass out of the way, and then I'm going to loosen the cage. Fun trivia fact is it is usually 6 twists on the cage to loosen it. And now I'm going to keep the pressure on the cork and I'm going to twist the bottle. Now I'm going to hold the bottle at roughly 30 degrees, and I'm also going to make sure that the cork isn't pointing at anyone or anything that's breakable or precious or is grandma or the cat or whatever. And so keeping that pressure on the cork, we're going to twist the bottle and we're going to keep the pressure on the cork and let it out with a gentle fit like that. Now, sometimes, this was really lucky, this was really easy to open. Sometimes the corks are a little bit stubborn. I personally find that actually leaving the cage on, not only is it safer, but it also does give you something to grip onto rather than just a really smooth, slippery cork. Once you've opened the bottle of wine, get your glass, the most important thing. If you're feeling really confident, sparkling wine bottles have a massive punt in them and you can hold it like this to pour. I'm waiting for something to go horribly wrong now. And you just pour it slowly into your glass. Look at that. And I think a discussion on glass shape is a whole other video. So let's just go with a fairly standard flute at the moment. You can see all these gorgeous bubbles in here. And that's it, job done. Time to have a smell and a taste. Cheers.